With Whisk, your recipes become instantly more engaging for your audience. Whisk makes it easy for anyone, like your friends, family, or followers, to save, shop, and cook every recipe you share. People can add your recipes to their weekly meal plan, turn your recipes into shopping lists and online grocery carts, and your recipe is saved in their recipe box so they can cook it again and again. To make the most out of Whisk, you have to add your recipes. Get started by creating a free account. You can sign up on the iOS or Android apps or on the web at my.whisk.com. Now you're ready to add your recipes to Whisk. There are a few different ways you can add recipes. Start by tapping the plus button in your recipe box. The first way is to add a link from the web. This lets you enter any recipe URL from the existing website. Type in or paste the recipe URL, then tap Save. Whisk will automatically detect the recipe and display it in a simple, easy-to-read format. To honor the recipe source, instructions link back to your website. You can also add recipes by creating them directly in Whisk using the recipe builder. Just enter your recipe title, add a photo, description, and other details. When adding ingredients and instructions, you can paste in multiple lines at once, and Whisk will automatically format your recipe. You can also separate sections or steps by adding headers. When you're finished, press Save. You can also use the Whisk extension to save recipes from anywhere on the web. The Whisk extension works on mobile and on Chrome. Now that your recipes are saved in Whisk, you're ready to create a Whisk community to share your recipes. Tap the plus button on your home screen and choose Create Community. Choose whether your community will be public or private. Choose a community name, description, category, and add links to your social profiles and website. You can also set permissions for your community, whether everyone can post or just you and other admins. Once you've created your community, you can add recipes to it. Keep adding more recipes over time to boost engagement. Now that your recipes are in Whisk and your community is set up, it's time to share. Tap the invite button on your community to invite people by name or email, share your community through social media, or get your direct link that you can post on your site, in your social profiles, or anywhere else you want to share your recipes. You can also share your recipes individually, either by adding them to existing communities or by grabbing the direct link and posting them elsewhere. Now anyone can easily save, shop, and cook your recipes no matter where they discover them.